To begin our search, we will start with the simple search box. Type the first topic you want to find in the search box, such as RNA. You can combine this with another topic, such as vaccine. You will find a drop-down on the search box to switch between Search Everything and Course Reserve. Search Everything will allow you to find all of our resources on the related topic, including books, articles, videos, and databases. Course Reserves are only those materials put aside for a particular class with limited circulation. For our current search, we will run the search with Search Everything and click on the magnifying glass or hit Enter. In your results, you will find a variety of sources. For example, articles, books, videos, CDs. If you only want to look at a particular resource type, you can do this by selecting Filters on the left side. You can select multiple resource types by selecting the check mark on the left side of each type you want, and then clicking Apply Filters. We are going to narrow down our results to articles by clicking on Articles. Now we only see articles in our results. To get access to the full text, you need to use the One Sign In function. Click Sign In and enter your full WCM-Q email and password. Further authentication may be necessary. Now that we are logged in, begin by clicking on the title of the article of interest. You will now see the bibliographic information for the article. In the View Online section, you will find any full text options for your article. In this case, we have several options to select from. It is important that you make sure that your selection has the date coverage for the article you are interested in. You will find the date coverage information under the name of the full text supplier. In this case, we can select New England Journal of Medicine Current. Going back to our search details, if we would like to exit this section, click on the large X on the left of the screen. If we would like to now begin a new clean search, click on the New Search button at the top of the screen. In our new search, this time we will search for a specific book title. This time, we will type Encyclopedia of Biophysics into the search box. Now click on the magnifying glass to execute the search. You can see that the Encyclopedia of Biophysics is our first result. To view more information about this title, including full text options, click on View Online. In the View Online section, we will have several options for viewing the full text. In this case, we can select Springer Link Book. When we return to the main search page, in addition to the new search, you will find that there are several options to further search our collections. Explore eJournal titles by searching for a title or ISSN. In the search field, type in Medical Teacher. You will notice that as you type, it gives you suggestions. The results only show journals. On the left, you will find filters and journals by category. Back to the top buttons. Database titles allows you to search for a particular database. In this case, we can type in Medline. The results provide the descriptions and links for the database. Sometimes these are multiple versions or interfaces, as with Medline. Also in the top buttons is Interlibrary Loan. If you need a resource that is not available within our collection, Use our interlibrary loan services. Look for specific instructions in additional videos. Finally, User Guides takes you to course, subject, service, and how-to guides prepared by our librarians. If you need additional help, get in touch with us through chat, email, and phone.